Hello everyone and welcome to another Easy Way video where I'm going to teach you how you can watch anime for free. Well, as you know, anime is no longer free because the copyright claims delete every piece of anime that is available on the line. As you can see, for example, Oshinoko, Kimetsu no Yaiba, whatever. So you go to YouTube, you can't find any anime. So you go to illegal website, you won't be able to watch anime. Well, I have the solution for you, and it's for free, obviously. So you have to go to Crunchyroll. Many of you may know this application, but what you don't know is that you can watch anime for free here. The only animes that you won't be able to watch at first are the premium ones. For example, animes that are on emission right now. But for example, I don't know, let's find let me see. Overlord, you will be able to watch Overlord. So the free version have some ads, but you can solve this using an ad blocker. And you have many languages, many dub, subtitles, etc. So also you have a 7 days free trial with debit and credit card information, but you can cancel before the 7 days pass, and you will have all the benefits of being a premium, and you can do that as many times as you want. But this is it, people. So this is the way, this is the legal way, and the only way that I can show you here in YouTube because it's bannable. It's not allowed to share illegal things, so don't worry. But you can watch anime here without any problem. So if this video was helpful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and press the bell in the subscription button. Goodbye, and easy way.